Okay. So what happened? What happened today?
What happened is I saw him watching this side. He didn't cry, and this is a fun place to go. Like he climbs down.
You and your brother? Look at Santos. Do you like his outfit? Say cheese. All right, it's kind of windy out there. Say bye.